Huh. Oh shit. Squids.
Forgot I have a.
Wow!
Wow! It's Christmas!
Oh, that was fucking moving! Hey!
No!
No! Oh! They move now! they move now. I don't like that. They move now.
I have my sights on the door.
Wait. I wonder if you step on the plot like it is in the
So freaked out right now. Is it over there?
Over where?
Where you're at?
No, I just found a key card. Wait, hang on, I have a theory. So it's not moving right now, but when I do this. Woo! No! Help me!
Wait, can I punch it?
You just had to step on their turf.
Yes, I did.
Oh my god.
The sound of Christmas carols. Aw.
I guess.
Oh no! No! Me.
Did you die? I'm gonna give it my college try. And then I'm gonna fucking immediately die because I'm so fucking scared. I'm so fucking scared. Oh,
It's gonna swing.
Wait, why is your arm detached?
I don't know. I'm broken.
You see it up there?
I don't know. I'm just busy.
There's multiple doors.
No. I'm sorry.
You better watch out.
What the fuck do I do? What just happened?
How'd you die? How the fuck did you die?
I don't know.
Oh, what the fuck? What is that? Who is that?
It just said I have a free revive on the house.
You wanna do that?
No, it said I didn't have a free revive on the house. Because I got killed by Redacted. Mochi, don't play with me right now.
It's great. It's Oh, I thought that candy cane was a bigger monster. That's a new sound.
I hate this.
There's a key
I
card
hate this.
somewhere.
I hate this.
It is. I'm screwed.
Oh. I did it. We're good. Please, let's get out of this room. Do you have the key card? Please, let's get out of here.
I have the,
Get out of here. I don't want pain.
I have the key card.
I don't want Christmas.
Oh, it's kind of bright here. I kind of like it like this.
I like this Christmas because we're up high up and we're not with the people.
And you can see it. It's very pleasant. It's very
It's
pleasant.
very, very pleasant Christmas, but all the other Christmases are not pleasant.
The Grinch. Oh.
No.
Candlebearer, you're talking about.
Cat.
Oh my gosh. Read this
God.
guy shitting me.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh fuck, oh god, oh fuck, oh god, oh fuck.
Freeze! As far as I know.
I saw a white man, the most terrified voice ever.
I saw a white man.
Oh,
A straight white man.
Fuck you, cat. Fuck you. I'm not even kidding when I say that. Literally, royally fuck you for that. I'm so. I can't believe you just did that to me. Oh,
Open the door! Open the
the
door!
door!
Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! We gotta go all the way around.
not actually that bad.
I hate that guy.
I don't like that guy, but it's not actually that bad.
Oh, there they are.
You need to come up here now. You need to come up here now.
Why? What's the matter?
Babies.
Oh! Look at them! Hi! Hello!
These are my babies, cat.
These are your babies.
Are you here,
Where you going, little? Where you going? Look at this.
I was-
Look at this dumbass in the corner.
Oh my God. Best remember. Couldn't ask
Hey,
for a better
Luffy.
room. Oh, that made me jump out of my skin. Oh. This is the greatest day. Why am I on it? Cat, it's moving me. Is it still invisible? Look at me.
Yeah, it's a little invisible. Ish.
Okay, alright, we're good. Oh.